Hi everyone. In the last video, we learned about how to run an app on an emulator. And in this video, we will run the app in a physical device. For running your app on a physical device, you will need a USB cable and an Android device. You have to turn on USB debugging on the device you want to run your app on. For turning on USB debugging on your device, you will need to open settings menu and scroll down to the about phone section, and if you scroll down to that you will see the build number. You need to click 7 times to that and you will see a pop-up of you are a developer now. Then you need to click back and here you can see a new settings menu called developer options. Click to that and if you scroll down there you will see a USB debugging option. You just need to enable that and then you will see a allow debugging pop-up. You just need to click OK there. This will allow your computer to send and run apps on your device. Now take your USB cable and connect one end to your computer and one end to your phone. When you do that, you will see a USB debugging dialog pop up. Select always for this computer and hit OK. And now you can run apps on your device. And then you have to open the Android Studio with the previous project open. And up here you can see your device name. Then you just have to click this play button to run your app on a physical device, and then it will install the app on your device. So that's it for now. If you are facing any Android related problems, feel free to reach me in my Discord server. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it to friends. Thank you.